Hi, my name is Kim Vishal Azman. My number matrix is 307025. So today I will explain the Technoware strategy of Google, also known as Alphabet. Technoware refers to the physical technology, digital tools, platforms, and infrastructure that support a company daily operation and innovation. For a technology-driven company like Google, Technoware is core strategic element that enables scalability, efficiency, and long-term competitive. So after that, I will explain about concept of Technoware at Google. At Google, Technoware goes beyond basic operational support. It is closely linked to the company generative strategy, SWOT analysis, and Porter's 5 forces framework. Google focus on automation, advanced infrastructure, and continuous technological innovation to maintain leadership in a highly competitive digital market. After that, I will explain about digital infrastructure and cloud technology. Google has heavily invested in state-of-the-art data centers and cloud computing technologies. These infrastructures support essential services such as Google Search, YouTube, Gmail, Google Maps, and Google Cloud Platform. These advanced infrastructures allow Google to process massive amounts of data quickly and reliably, creating high barriers to entry for new competitors and supporting its different strategy. After that, it's about artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning is central to Google Technoware strategy. They are embedded in search algorithm, recommendation system, voice recognition, image processing, and translation services. AI enables Google to personalize user experiences, improve advertising accuracy, reduce operational costs, and remain competitive against major rivals such as Microsoft and emerging AI platform. After that, platform-based Technoware ecosystem. As we can know, Google also adopt a platform-based Technoware ecosystem to product like Android, Google Cloud Platform, Chrome, and Google Workshop. This platform connect users, developers, and business within a single integrated ecosystem. As a user become embedded in this ecosystem, switching costs increase, reducing the threat of substitute and strengthening user loyalty. Lastly, I will explain about continuous innovation and research and development. Continuous innovation is another key component of Google Technology strategy. Alphabet invests significantly in research and development, including autonomous vehicle through Waymo, quantum computing, smart devices, and advanced cybersecurity. This strong innovation capability allows Google to enter new markets, diversify revenue sources, and remain relevant in a rapidly changing technological environment. And after that, lastly, in conclusion, Technoware at Google is not just a support system, but a strategic decision-making tool. By integrating advanced infrastructure, artificial intelligence, scalable platform, and continuous innovation, Google strengthens its competitive position, creates high entry barriers, and ensure long-term leadership in the global digital ecosystem.
Hello, my name is Aidan Rafif bin Asbandiwardi, and my metric number is 307014. And I will explain about HumanWare strategy of Google Alphabet. HumanWare refers to the people in an organization and their skill, knowledge, creativity, experience, attitudes, and leadership. At Google, HumanWare is very important because the company's success depends heavily on innovation, problem solving, and managing advanced technology. Without skilled and knowledgeable employees, Google would not be able to remain a global technology leader. Google's HumanWare strategy focuses on attracting top talent, encouraging innovation, developing skills, and strengthening leadership to stay competitive in a fast-changing technology industry. So next is talent recruitment and expertise. Google's hire highly skilled professionals such as engineers, software developers, data scientists, and AI experts. These employees develop and improve key products like Google Search, YouTube, Android, Google Ads, and Google Cloud. Google also follows a differentiation strategy, offering unique and high-quality digital services. To support this, Google needs employees with strong technical skill and creative thinking. Due to high competition from companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Meta, specialized talent help Google stay innovative and competitive. Next is innovation-focused work culture. Google also promotes a culture of innovation where employees are encouraged to be creative, experiment, and solve problems. This culture is one of Google's main strengths, allowing continuous product improvement and new service development. Innovation helps Google take advantage of opportunities in AI, cloud computing, and digital platform, while also reducing the threat of substitute by maintaining strong user loyalty. Next is training and continuous learning. Google invests heavily in training and continuous learning to keep employees updated with fast-changing technologies, such as machine learning, cybersecurity, and data analytics. By offering career development and skill enhancement, Google can retain talented employees and reduce the risk of losing them to competitors, strengthening its long-term competitiveness. Next is leadership and management capability. Strong leadership and management are essential for Google as a large and diversified organization. Effective leaders help guide teams and drive innovation and also achieve strategic goals. Good leadership also helps Google handle high buyer power, by ensuring high service quality, innovation, and user satisfaction, which build trust and loyalty. Last but not least is humanware as competitive advantage. Overall, Google's humanware strategy is a major source of competitive advantage. A talented workforce, innovative culture, continuous learning, and strong leadership enable Google to face intense competition and achieve long-term growth. In conclusion, Google's humanware strategy focuses on talent recruitment, innovation, employee development, and leadership, supported by generic strategy, SWOT analysis, and Porter's 5 forces. This approach helped Google maintain its differentiation strategy and remain a leading global technology company.
My name is Nur Helin Sofia binti Alugani, matric number 306704. Now I will continue with Part C, Google Alphabet Infoware Strategy. First, we look at the overview of Infoware Strategy. Infoware refers to the strategic management of information and knowledge within an organization. For Google, information is a core organizational resource because its digital platform depends on data to function effectively. By managing information strategically, Google can enhance their decision-making, operational efficiency, and innovation, which directly improve overall performance. Next is the data-driven decision-making. Google Infoware strategy heavily relies on data-driven decision-making. Data is collected from multiple platforms such as Google Sheets, YouTube, and Google Advertising platform. By analyzing user behavior and preference from this platform, Google can improve its product, optimize advertising strategies, and make more accurate strategic decisions. Third is about the advanced analytic and artificial intelligence (AI). Advanced analytic and artificial intelligence enable Google to handle massive and complex datasets through machine learning and AI. Raw data is transformed into actionable insights. This technology also automates analysis and decision process, allowing Google to continuously innovate and improve service performance. We continue with information security and privacy management. Information security and privacy management are critical because Google manages sensitive user and organization data. Secure storage system and encryption and access control are used to protect information assets. This measure reduces risks related to the data misuse and help to ensure compliance with data protection requirements. Next is the market intelligence and competitive analysis. Market intelligence allows Google to continuously monitor market trends, consumer behavior, and competitor strategy. This information supports strategic planning and help Google identify opportunities and threats in a highly competitive technology industry. So for the conclusion, Google Infoware strategy treats information as a strategic asset. Through data-driven decision-making, advanced analytics, strong security, and effective market intelligence, Google enhance innovation, reduce risk, and sustain long-term competitiveness. So to summarize Part C, Google Infoware strategy enables the company to transform information and knowledge into a strategic value by integrating data analysis, artificial intelligence, security, and also the market intelligence. Google maintains its strong position in the digital economy.
Refers to how a company is organized and managed, including its structure, coordination, governance, and internal culture. For Google, Orgaware is very important because the company operates globally across many technology-based markets. Without a stronger organizational system, it would be difficult for Google to balance innovation with stable daily operations. Now that we understand what Orgaware means, let's look at how Alphabet's organizational structure supports this strategy. Alphabet was created as a holding company to manage complexity and risk. Google focuses on its core services like search, advertising, YouTube, and Android, while other subsidiaries work on a long-term and experimental project. This allows innovations to continue without disturbing core business activities. After understanding the structure, we can look at how decision-making works. Google allows teams to make day-to-day decisions on their own, which have increased speed, creativity, and flexibility. At the same time, major decisions are still controlled by top management to ensure alignment with company goals, values, and regulations. Besides decision-making, Google's organizations also strongly support innovation. The company promotes a culture where employees are encouraged to share ideas and collaborate across teams. This culture helps Google continuously improve its product and maintain differentiation in the market. In addition to innovation, coordination across Alphabet is also important. Google uses cross-functional teams and shared systems to reduce inefficiencies and avoid isolated working. This makes it easier for the organization to execute strategies effectively. However, coordination alone is not enough. Google also operates under strict legal policy requirements, especially related to data privacy and competition laws. Strong governance and compliance systems help reduce legal risk and maintain public trust, allowing Google to operate more securely in global market. All these elements together from Google's OrgaWare as a strategic outcome. OrgaWare supports technoware, humanware, and infoware by improving strategic execution and organizational strength. To conclude, Google's OrgaWare strategy provides a strong foundation for long-term success. The alphabet structure, balanced decision-making, innovation-focused culture, effective coordination, and strong governance help Google manage competition and regulation while sustaining its leadership in the global technology industry.